Hello dear viewer, indulge me if you will, a touch of Bruciness from this side. I have a magazine. It's not an old magazine like Bruce does, it's a new magazine. It is in fact this month's Aeroplane magazine, March 2019. My parents had just visited from the UK and they very kindly bought me this copy of a magazine that I would subscribe to if I were a millionaire. And in it a couple of things. The first thing, sort of nothing changes, nothing's new or whatever, are Beira patrol, coastal patrols off Beira, which is in Mozambique now, and very sadly Mozambique was recently hit by a tropical storm along with surrounding countries there, and more than 1,000, probably 1,200, 1,500 people have lost their lives, and there's still massive floods in place. If there was ever a use case for emergency delivery drones, this is it, and we'll have to think about it in the cold light of day afterwards, and it would be a pretty much a logistical nightmare if you see what's happening up there, and it would be very hard to react to it, but it would be worth thinking about. So very sad that, and I'll be doing more thinking about that. Not that that will help anybody. Very sad situation. Anyway, more positive things. There's a little bit about photo reconnaissance cameras, how they worked and what they were in the Second World War. That'll please our mapping friends. But the bit that I liked, very much is there's a whole 15 pages. Yes, count them. A whole 15 pages of the early American tail sitters. Now I had a go at making one of those with a copter control or CC3D. I can't remember which board it was. But yeah, there's 15 pages of testimonials from pilots and how the test flights went and what the results were. It's really great. It's really worth looking at if you don't want to repeat some of the VTOL mistakes of the past. So anyway, have a look. This month's Aeroplane, March 2019, if you can get hold of it. Well worth it if you're into your VTOLs. I found a couple of videos of some of the test flying and I will tack them on to the end of this now. So have a lovely rest of the week. Don't forget to join us tomorrow, Tuesday, 2100 GMT, for our normal chat of nonsense on the Drone and Sundry channel in the Drone Stuff This Week chat. Cheers for now. Look after yourselves.